because there's ions and types of ions nasa daytime properties niya. Right? So, only the mga properties. So, by the way, ako yung discuss sa mga properties. So, first is electrical charge. Electrical charge, the charge is indicated by a superscript up to the chemical symbol. So, nata example diya rin. Calcium, niya, naiba na mo niya ako lagi copy kay para matawag ninyo. May calcium. All this here chemical symbol. As you can see na as a sign o ng number na natin. Ang kami siya all kita balog electrical charge. So, anatadihala sa electrical charge. Next is ionic bonding. So, ionic bonding, ions attract positively charged ions to form ionic compounds. So, guys, ang hindi ko na ay kanang chemical symbol na naay superscript or signs na opposite water doon siya. And while i-attract sila, mag-move kanang isa. Walang copy guys. For example, we have sodium and chlorine. So, as you can see, na siya ay signs which and opposite siya, positive and negative. And meaning na mag-attract din sila each other by opposite man. And after mag-attract na, form na siya o kanang ionic compound or compound which is sodium chloride. Ano ni siya?
Ano sabi ng sodium chloride?
Table salt. Table salt is siya. Form siya by ionic bonding. So, okay na next.
What's that guys?